It's more than enough to let the light in. The way you're making me feel, it's divine. It's enough to let it flow, let it be. 'Cause you're everything that I crave in this life. 'Cause we're everything we can't find in another life. Take my hand and my promises, they're yours to be held, and I want you. I only want you. Keep my heart and my honor is yours to be held, and I want you. I only want you for the rest of my life. My life, for the rest of my life.
Oh, girl.
You look nice.
Oh, wee. Very lovely.
Thank you.
Beautiful, beautiful.
You're in my sight and my mind, in the quiet and up front out loud, in the calm, in my spirit and the storm. 'Cause you're everything that I crave in this life.
Jacob, we haven't even got
I know.
the house yet, baby.
Kayla, I knew instantly that my future was with you. You were the missing piece I thought I'd never find. The one person who makes me whole. My love for you is so deep, so endless that it hurts in the most wonderful way. And Kayla, I can't imagine living a day without you. You're my forever. And today, by becoming my wife, you have given me the greatest gift imaginable. Thank you for making me the happiest man alive.
Jacob, God placed you in my life at the perfect time. I fell in love with you quickly, but it was without a doubt the easiest thing that I have ever done. You are truly a once-in-a-lifetime kind of person. I never thought I'd have the privilege of experiencing the type of love you've so graciously given me over the last 2 years. Thank you for teaching me that love is possible, that when you're least expecting it, someone can come into your life and change everything.
For the rest of my life. For the rest of my life. For the rest of my life. For the rest of my life.
Now Jacob and Kayla, the two of you have consented together in holy wedlock. You have pledged yourselves to one another by the exchanging of vows and by the giving and receiving of your rings. I now pronounce the two of you to be husband and wife, and what therefore God has joined together, let no man separate. Jacob, you may now kiss your lovely bride.
I reach up to hold your sunlit face. Feels like a handful of silk now. I'm in your warm embrace. Oh, I hope this feeling lasts till the oceans turn to glass and the world around us turns and fades to black. Together we'll hold back the sun in this moment, forever young. Against the stream of time we'll run, baby. enchanted by your ways. In the magic of your eyes, I've become lost in their spell. So come closer, my dear, because all is well.